making my way to Philly, then to Jersey. It's a busy day. My throat is sore. I think I'm fighting something. I've been stuck in my thoughts a lot lately. I don't know about y'all. Do you ever watch the Flintstones and you see the big old bedrock homes and like they're using dinosaurs to move stuff? Unbeknownst to many of us in our education, there's all kinds of megalithic structures, old structures in the earth, like stones that we can't even imagine moving, in quantities that we couldn't even imagine. What if all these things they're like saying, oh, it's like 2,000 years old, or it's from the time of Christ, or whatever? What if they're like millions of years old? Where else would you reside if there was gigantic creatures living on the planet? You'd have to go underground. You couldn't just like have a dumb house or whatever. Now humor me. What if, because a lot of these structures are lined up with different constellations and things like that, what if our species isn't from Earth originally? If you're an ant, if you're a frog, if you're a whale, if you're anything other than a human, you don't need clothes, you adapt to your climates and your surroundings, you don't need a house, you don't need a car, you don't need a job. Ugh, my phone doesn't ever shut up. If we were all running around naked right now, I don't think many of us would be surviving. And I know there's tribes, and yes, like, but they're in climates that are, like, if I'm in Pennsylvania, what, you know what I mean? Like, and I'm naked or whatever, I need a house and I need heat. Like, that's not of this place. Yeah, ants build an anthill. Whoopie-doo. We're not, like, scratching and clawing and digging in the ground. I think it's going nowhere. I think people have lost their damn minds. I think it's all f***ed up. Nothing adds up, and you damn well know it. Doesn't matter how hard you sit there and think about it. The universe, us, this, that, the other thing. You don't know. I think more people need to focus on raising their kids the right way. I'm so sorry whatever happened to you happened to you. Something crappy happened to all of us now. Pull your pants up. Find the best version of yourself so we can all just live happily. Go do something productive, please. Ain't nothing to it. Gangster rap made me do it. Ugh. Driving through Philly is the worst. Freaking having a panic attack with these people. The land of the oppressed. Nobody knows how to be accountable or responsible for themselves. I prefer self-reliance. Man, my throat is so sore. It's crazy the amount of days you have to take off for kids being sick, and then boom, you drop like a fly. Sick. Can't even swallow right. Oh my god, these people are freaking stupid. Oh. New Jersey. Coming right up. Ugh.
Use the right two lanes to take exit 26.
I feel like the days of people working hard are long behind us. Everybody likes to take a freaking shortcut. And I swear everybody's doing the bare minimum. And it shows. It shows, man. Everybody's got ADD and ADHD and autism and whatever. I feel like there's a lot of excuses. Oh, like, can't even fix a road. It's been like this for years. Come on now. Oh, shit. I just got the worst phone call. Just now, one of my clients let me know that somebody I've known for like 20 plus years just passed. Now I'm bummed out because he was such a nice man. Signing off for the Silver Fox. Rest in peace, man. What shitty news. You gotta keep trucking. No matter what happens, you're still here. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep moving. And that's it. Just keep moving. Come on, man. Get in there.
Franklin Bridge.
Good Lord, if you're gonna merge. Man, there's something so messed up about being one of the first people to know something. I hate being a newsbreaker. Ugh. Especially when it hurts, you know? Oh, now I've got like indigestion over the whole thing. 1 minute for my next client. Oh, I hope I don't cry. Don't cry.
Take
Nope. Off I go. Wish me luck. Passing along that news went better than expected. I did not cry, although I still feel really sad. So, I'm being a productive member of society. I'm being a productive member of society. I am being a productive member of society. A productive member of society.
Is it natural lawn of America? Game showers coming back tomorrow. It's gonna be 66 tomorrow from organic
I don't know what that
fertilizer to
was.
seed. Make sure your lawn.
So tired today. Oh, time to go in. Another run. Another stop. Last stop. Gotta pee so damn bad. At least the weather's looking nice before I go in there. Somebody on here called me old once. Get it. Whatever. Dude, you have no idea how fast it comes up on you. I didn't think I'd be sitting here right now, but here we are.